What's up, guys? This is KB. It's my boy Mark, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see behind me here, I got my boy Mark's F30 335i, and oh, it's an XI.
Don't matter.
We're gonna be helping out my boy Mark. He's gonna get his downpipe in for his F30 335 tonight.
Hopefully. You know, I was fucking
Yeah, we'll see.
Working on cars though. Always a problem with something.
So what is your main goal of horsepower for this car?
Honestly, it's a daily, so it's not really the horsepower I'm worried about, but obviously if I'm putting the catalyst downpipe in, the charge pipe, and to make it reliable and sound better, if I can make that's the guy who's doing my downpipe.
I don't know if you guys hear that, but yeah.
Honestly, horsepower goals, just trying to keep them moderate, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not looking for crazy. I want 400 at least.
Okay.
It's gonna be way over the top.
Right. That's not bad power though, for just the daily, you know, especially for a BMW. It's a nice, calm.
Daily driver, keep it reliable, you know?
Exactly.
But I got another project in the works, so.
Yeah.
Hopefully see with all that, so.
Oh yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned.
I did a lot of research before doing this, so. You guys done this on the F30 before? Nah.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
About to see how it go, right?
Actually, it's easy. I did it on this, and this is pain.
Y'all said something about the subframe having to come out. I was like, every video I see, nobody touched the subframe.
Turbos. I was
yeah.
I was going off of this. I'm like, I had to do on this. How you gotta do on that? But
You did upgraded twins on that?
still stock it. It's CHRH.
Okay.
You gotta replace them.
Cause one of my friends, Rolo, he had like the same model, and then he did upgraded turbos, but he just sold it like.
They got the Type R.
Right. I miss his car, man. All right.
My baby, but man, I tell you.
So what tools did you guys get?
We got a whole kit.
Jack stands, all that jacks? I mean, I have jack stands, but
I think all we would need is jack.
Let's get it. So they just got it up. We're about to jack it up. Here's the downpipe, by the way. Ooh, beautiful. So what did y'all just do?
I mean, I can try to do it, but I'm not
Took out the center rails.
It
It actually connects the left and the right, just gives it more stability as a little sports car.
Okay.
Drive fast, you need more stability. So BMW has this stock race. I'm pretty sure they have an aftermarket, which one? A little bit lighter, but this will do for now. He's ready to upgrade it. We'll get a lighter.
I can just
more
see,
lumen.
like, I was working on my buddy's Jeep.
Okay.
And I see bolts less. They say it doesn't have to.
So what did you guys get done so far?
So far, we got the under panel off. We got the top clamp, V-band clamp, which we're doing right now. We got the bottom V-band clamp off, and we got the 2 trenches unplugged.
Honestly, it doesn't sound like much,
It's not.
but working on these is. That's actually like what, like 65% of the work right there. Going back in is gonna be easy.
Okay.
No, like spread it apart, put it up on the top, and then just pull the cat out. Oh, it's my brother. My brother has a white RSX.
RSX, and of course you do that.
That's a brand new one too. Oh, this gotta come out though, right? Or not?
We gotta get it to come all the way out. We just gotta loosen it enough so we can open it up and put it back here.
What's the next upgrade you gonna do?
I'm not gonna do the charge pipe, but yeah, I'm definitely having one of y'all do the charge pipe if you've done it before on this.
Don't want
Yeah, slide that.
There we go.
I didn't even know this is that flexible. I seen you bend the whole.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That V-band clamp up there, you straight.
Well, I bet. Let's get it done. Shit here, I don't even know how to do an alignment on that.
You know the clip on there.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that clip. It's the other clip that's in the back. That's one's holding it up. So you get it up.
So my car is the test dummy.
Pretty much.
I'm doing this.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's completely
It's a
off.
bracket.
Yep, bracket.
Bracket right here.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
You can pull the cat.
Got it.
All right.
There you go. I can pull it. You want me to pull it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull it out.
Towards you.
Yeah, towards you. Mark.
It's caught right here on the metal.
On this?
No, it's over here. It's underneath this thing. Hold up, watch out. I'm just trying to see where.
I'm pulling the exhaust down. Trying to
There we go.
make room.
Alright, get that other wire on the bracket.
All right. We got it. Cool.
It was like a piece of tin.
He's like, huh?
What? Take off right now.
I wonder what the in the valve cover gasket. Shit.
Out with the old, in with the new.
I seen a video. This dude was
Hey, what's going on?
Got the old cat out. Downpipe, or whatever you want to call it.
Stupid.
Now we got the upgraded one. It's gonna help it flow better.
Nah, I mean, you know the vibes.
Better.
Yes, sir. Quicker spool
You got a little dark spot on your head, bro.
It's probably a roach. What up, man?
Speaking of a roach.
Yeah, that's on the arm position.
Using for footage, and we're actually having not competition per se. His quality is always gonna come out better than mine, but like I'm shooting at 4K at 60 frames per second. He's shooting at 4K. What, 4K 60 frames per second? I hope it stays a little cooler in here, because with the cat taking up less surface area, there should be a lot more air being able to run through here, no? In theory. And I didn't get the high temp Cherokee coating one because I was being cheap. I don't want to spend an extra $100.
Cheap on a BMW?
No.
I got you so bad.
Hopefully, I mean, maybe the dropped oil will drip and miss it now. Because it used to drop right on the O2 sensors, the valve cover gasket. It leaks and it pulls up in the back and then drips onto the cat. So that's what those little white clouds of smoke you be seeing when I stop.
coming up in front, like the hood and everything.
Yeah, it comes up out the hood and everything. It looked like my car just blew up.
Send it. Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good. That's just with the unpacked muffler and the catless downpipe. The only exhaust work on that. The drive is where it's gonna be. And the purple. I mean, I'm gonna give it a rest for the purple here. Oh.
Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad. It's only come out on one side because the flap didn't open up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's only flowing out of this one.
It has to heat up a little bit.
Yeah.
Not bad, bro. Definitely going for a test drive.
That makes sense.
There's no leaks? No leaks?
There, let me hear.
It's still a little cold.
Okay.
The exhaust is even warm yet. That's just right now. Stage 2 Plus. It's just I'm gonna run into heating and
So
cooling
listen,
issues.
that verbal thing, all it is just to make the noise, right? It's no performance thing.
No, it kind of does to a point,
It
but
just
not
makes
really.
noise.
It's
right?
just noise.
It's noise, but it's not. So
Well, not. You're technically running.
no, what happens is when the exhaust gets the reason all right. So what happens is
I'm not asking why it makes a noise. I'm
He
asking
just wants to know.
you ain't getting no extra performance from that little box, right?
no,
That's noise.
Right now it's just noise. That's because I didn't have the supporting mods to go stage 2. Now I can go stage 2.
No, but that's what I'm asking. I'm saying.
But you need that box to do that, to unlock it to do that.
So yes, he can make more power.
Yeah, you can make more power with that.
with that box.
Yeah.
You just gotta get other stuff for it. Yeah.
Right. I can pay
That's what I
100.
wanna know.
I think it's $100 right now.
And
then it'll go stage 2.
He don't care about that.
He got the information he needs.
Gapplebee's is real, and he got a free meal at Gapplebee's.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Ben's next.
Uh-oh.
Again.
I'm gonna let him listen. I'm gonna let him get his because when I'm finished with him, and he know me already. He know how I get.
Yeah. Now I'm getting older now. I don't have a Civic no more.
Yeah, that's all right.
Well, not anymore.
I still got a Civic.
Alright guys, well, we're getting ready to go on a little quick test ride to just see how it sounds, and after that, that'll be it for the night. So stay tuned. Go ahead. Let's go for a ride. Alright, well, I'm gonna ride back with Mark once we get back home, but I'm gonna ride with them because we're going on the way somewhere to his mom's house. So what did you get done to your 335? What year? Everything? Let them know.
It's a 07 335 XI, E90. We got intakes. I had rebuilt a turbo, a full turbo. We got a muffler delete, catless downpipes, and then cooling relocation. That's about it.
Okay.
Not really much to it though. I did a charge pipe and a blow up valve. 5-inch. Yeah, 5-inch intercooler.
Okay. It's not bad.
Not at all.
We about to take a ride, right? I don't know which one sounds better, y'all. We're about to find out tonight. All right, let's get it. Yo, that's okay, Mr. Pop Pop. Oh, I know you happy.
Rev it to like 6 and just let it go all the way down.
Alright guys, that's it for tonight. shouts out to both of them. Shouts out to Mark for getting his downpipe in. Sounds amazing. And shouts out to homie Jermaine helping him put it in. He has a 335 as well. This is the E90 version, and Mark has the F30, which is a newer 2013-ish. Newer version than that, but honestly both sound really good. And I'm really excited. Two differences, but they both sound great. So thank you guys for watching the video, and hope you guys enjoy this, and stay tuned on the next one. Peace.